Hey smokers, wait. Can you solve this guesstimate with me? How many gold flavored cigarettes sold in Mumbai in every year? So let us quickly solve this. So step one is to find the base population. Okay. Now as I'm assuming that the Mumbai's total population is 20 million, that is 2 crore. So from that 20 million, I'm segmenting into two categories. That is the age group 1 to 20 and the age group above 20. I'm assuming that the age group 1 to 20 is not a smoking age. People usually don't prefer smoking cigarettes. I'm assuming the population to be 25% and the rest of 75% of the population, I'm assuming that they are capable of smoking cigarettes, that is smoking age. So 75% of 20 million, that come 15 million adults, which is the base population we get. Now step 2 is the estimate smokers. Now from that 15 million, 50% are smokers I'm assuming and 50% are non-smokers. So our value will come across 7.5 million smokers. Now step third is that the consumption. Now I'm assuming that every each smoker at an average smoke one package per day. So one packet consist of the 20 cigarettes. Now the annual consumption will be the 365 into 20 cigarettes into the population, that is 7.5 million, which come across the figure 54.75 billion of total cigarettes per year. But this figure is of all the brands, but we have to find for the particular gold flake brand. So I'm assuming that the 20% is the market share for the gold flake cigarette. Now so 20% of that consumption, that come to the final figure 10.95 billion of cigarettes annually. So here is the answer to this guesstimate. So if you want more such guesstimate, so quickly subscribe to this channel right now. Thank you.